In this video, we will see how Odoo v19 embed a new feature called the partner-specific instruction. This new feature would replace or upgrade a previous feature called the warning mechanisms, known in the previous version of Odoo. But this new feature, the partner-specific instruction, offers a cleaner and more user-friendly experience for displaying important partner-related message on documents such as sales order, purchase order, and stock pickings. So first of all, we will activate this ability for this new feature in the setting of the inventory app, and the feature is activated here in the operations frame. This feature, partner-specific instruction. We will save these new settings, and then we will go on any partner. Here I am on holding for a subsidiary. In the note I added, please check intercompany counterpart. Now if I go on purchase order, for instance, I will add a computer. I will confirm the order. I will see on the receipt that I have my specific partner instruction up there in the banner. So this is how we can display this specific information. So it will always show a banner style notification at the top of the form when a partner, customer or vendor, is selected. The relevant message will be displayed on the corresponding delivery or receipt document. Here we are on a receipt document. If it would be a delivery document, it would be exactly the same display that would appear on the top of the document.